Oh, yeah. Some garlic powder, onion powder, salt-free, Mrs. Dash seasoning. Hold on a second. Hold on. Ah, you're sticking. Oh, yeah. Steaks. Right here. Just might be better.
So I showed Lisa.
Think I'll be eating bugs? Hell no. No Williams bugs. Mm.